I literally have like the ghettoest setup right now. Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a transition in Final Cut Pro. It's really simple, so yeah, let's get right into the editing software. So down here in my timeline I just have two shots. These shots are meant to be used as examples. They're not meant to look cinematic, but when you do it with something cinematic, it'll just make it look better. So right here I have a moving object, but you can do this transition with anything moving or swiping fully past the screen. So I'm just going to start it right here where it looks like the train starts, and then I'm going to end it right here when the train leaves the screen. First thing I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to bring the size down to 25 just so I can get the whole thing in frame. I'm going to go down to the bottom right of my screen and go into the effects tab, not this transitions, the effects one. Go down to masks, and there you're going to want draw masks. Just drag this and drop it right on top of this. I want to go a little bit more frames forward just to see how many I'll need. And what you want to do is just shape the mask to the train. Then when you're done shaping that out, just draw 4 or 3 or 4, however many you need right down here. Right now it looks kind of whack, but what you're gonna do is just drag these far right ones out so you can get the whole thing in frame without cutting anything. Then when you have all this shaped up and out of screen and everything, I am going to go down to transforms right here and keyframe all of these and control points in case I need to. So then right now I'm just going to go frame by frame using my keyboard with the arrows. And I'm just going to, right here is when it first makes an appearance, so I'm just going to drag this boy down. And then when you need to adjust it, just adjust the points to where you need it. For the most part, when you have this, you'll be able to just move the whole thing because you'll keyframe all this stuff anyways. Alright, so now it looks like a little bit like this. I think that's pretty alright. Of course, with refining and doing it over and over again, you'll be able to get a lot better at this. But now with your other clip, you just drag that beneath it to wherever the transition starts. Alright, right here, I'm just going to drag this down to here. I'm going to slow this down to 40%. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some motion blur. You don't need this, but it just adds that effect. You could do it perfectly without it, so don't feel like you need this to get this effect. Just because I have it, I'm using it. See, it just kind of adds that effect right here. Out here is it's like just flowing right by, so it doesn't make the cuts so sharp. I just kind of like that. So yeah, that's how you do this transition. If you edit this correctly, it'll end up looking great. You can do this with practically anything, a bridge moving by, someone running past the screen, and it'll all look okay. The more you practice, the more it gets better. Like I said, I just use these as example clips, so you can literally do this with whatever. I want to stress that as much as I can. So yeah, if you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Consider sharing with a friend, that would really help a lot. Follow me on Instagram at eric.gramer. I post a lot of my photos there. I'm not the best photographer, but I think I'm getting a little better. But, I'm saying that about myself, so it could mean nothing. So yeah, see you next time, which I think would be tomorrow.